Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Marilyn and you're welcome to this channel. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how I got this hair to be bone straight, as well as how you can bleach the knots of your closure and your frontals. So I'm using the Wella Color Charm Bleach to bleach the knots of my closure. So I ended up mixing the 20 volume and the 40 volume developer just because I don't have the 30. So I would suggest you get the 30, but it's quarantine, so I was using what I have. So I just mixed both of them together to kind of dilute the 40 because the 40 is too much for your knots. So you want to put like 2 parts of bleach and like 1 part of the developer, so that way the mixture is a little bit thick. And then you just want to carefully apply this onto the lace, and you want to be careful just so you don't the bleach doesn't penetrate, and that way you start to bleach the actual hair. You just want to bleach the knots. And it's the exact same process I use for my frontal. It's no different with the closure. So I'm just using the same mixture here to just apply it all over the knots.
You bad, no need for long talk. You bad.
I also set the timer for 15 minutes, and after 15 minutes it's time to wash, and this is exactly what it's looking like. To wash it, I just start off by rinsing the bleach out. So I just rinse it in like lukewarm water, and when that is all clean, I then proceed to using a purple shampoo. This just helps reduce or get rid of any brassiness. So you just use the purple shampoo. I kind of apply it in my hand first of all before I put it on the lace, and then I just use that to carefully just scrub it and wash it. And after that, I typically would just condition the hair, but I didn't have a conditioner, so I ended up using a 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner.
Don't stop, see Vanessa, no stressor. It's only you on my missions. No time, no vexer, cause it's only you that I can love. Only you, if you make me feel brand new. Only you can do the things you do. Only you, if you make me feel.
And this is what the frontal curly unit is looking like. This video is not going to be styling this curly hair, it's just going to be styling the straight one. I'm going to film a video pretty soon on how you can install your frontal on your hair from start to finish. And if you're interested in that, be sure to subscribe to this channel and stay tuned for that. Okay, so now moving on to styling the straight hair. I just got the moisturizer. I'm using the ORS hair mayonnaise, so I just apply a generous amount into the hair. You can use any moisturizer of your choice, and then I'm just combing the hair through. And you guys, quality of this hair is amazing. Be sure to shop Magic Beauty. I'm gonna leave the hair details down below. So to straighten this hair, I got this straightener from Amazon. I saw some good reviews, so I was like, okay, let's try it out. I'm gonna also link it down below because it was amazing. And yeah, the temperature pretty much goes all the way up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. And he also got this hair wax from Amazon as well. I kind of put too much. This was my first time using it, so please don't go overboard. Just put a little bit because it really doesn't need that much. But here I'm just using my hand to kind of like spread it.
The things you do.
So now moving on to straightening the hair. I like to work in sections, so I just section my hair into 2, and then I just work 1 section at a time, and then I just kind of get rid of most of the hair from the top. And I want my gloves, y'all, because I'm trying to get burnt. So yeah, so I put my timer all the way to 450. I would only suggest you do that if you have really good hair, so you don't end up frying your whole hair. I just kind of went through it like 2 to 3 times, and also used the comb as well to support or guide. The video is self-explanatory, so you guys can kind of see what I'm doing here, but I just kind of went through the hair like 2-3 times, and that was it. It got like a bone straight lovely look. So keep on watching. And I didn't film the entire process, the entire hair, but you guys kind of get the gist, and I did that for the entire thing.
Only you. Okay, man, baby, you are busting, girl, you are busting my brain. Girl, you do me Jim, I don't feel explain. Okay, man, baby, you are busting, girl, you are busting my brain. You no need to complain. You.
Oh, by the way, if you're watching right now and you haven't subscribed to this channel, be sure to smash that subscribe button for your girl. Y'all, we have a goal, so please help me reach my goal. Please subscribe and share this video as well, so people can benefit from this tutorial. And if you liked it or you found it helpful, be sure to give me a thumbs up and comment down below what you guys think, as well as what video you would like to see next in terms of hair related videos, and I'll be sure to film that for you guys.
Yeah. What is it with all these questions? Don't need all these complications.
Okay, so right here I'm using my hot comb to just kind of like press the tops just so it's extremely flat. And now we're gonna move on to cutting the lace. You want to do this carefully, and I also like to cut my lace in like a zigzag motion, as you guys can see. I don't just like to go bone straight, and you just have to be really careful so you don't end up cutting the hair.
The mother just got nothing on you. My exes, they keep on calling. They're trying to get one on me, but nobody got nothing on you. Only you feel make me feel brand new. Only you can do the things you do. Only you feel make me.
Okay, so moving on to the baby hairs. This is optional, of course, but I love to do it just because why not? I just ended up taking out a little bit of the hair from the front and cut it a little bit because it's too long. And then you're just gonna see me doing some swirls and some swoops, and I like to use my edge control first, and then I can finish it up with got to be if I feel like it needs some of that. But here I'm just using the edge control and an old toothbrush, which is just designed for hair edges. And I just kind of like make some designs, some swoops here and there. And definitely skip this step if you're not into baby hairs.
Feel brand new. Only you can do the things you do. Only you. Only you when they make me feel nice. Only you within my mind. Only you where I want to see when I wake up right from my side. We go together like peanut butter and jelly. Yeah, we go together like Kelly Roll and the Nelly. You go be my last name if you let me. I go go.
Okay, so here I'm going to use the got to be to kind of spray the front, and this just kind of helps give it like a high front. I don't know if you guys know what I'm talking about, but it just helps to hold it in place.
You go be the woman, wake up on my baby. Show me what you got tonight. Let's align, bust a wine. Feel so nice, body so divine. How can I?
So here I'm just kind of making the high rise thing I'm kind of talking about. So you just like use the hot comb to press it down, and also use the hot comb to press down the edges so it can stay in place. Be very careful doing this, you guys, because this hot comb is extremely hot, and if you have really bad or cheap lace, your hair is, or your lace is literally gonna get like fried. So be very careful and mindful before you do that. And this is what the hair is looking like when we're all done. So lush, so soft, and it is bomb. Don't forget to check out Mazik Beauty, and you guys can see how good and soft this hair looks. This is an 18-inch closure unit, so it's from 14, 16, and 18 inches. And that is it for this video. If you guys liked it, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye!
God tonight, let's align, bust a wine, feel so nice, body so divine. How can I not be high? What we